To fix a non-functioning Bush TV remote, start by checking the batteries. They may be defective or inserted incorrectly. Remove the batteries from their compartment and inspect them for signs of moisture, which could indicate a defect. If they are damaged, replace them. Alternatively, try using the batteries in another device to test their functionality. If the batteries work in another device, they are likely not the issue. However, if they do not work, consider purchasing new ones. After removing the batteries, wait for a minute before reinstalling them, making sure to match the positive and negative polarity. Another potential issue is that the remote's infrared signal may be blocked by obstacles between the remote and the TV. Relocate any objects, such as soundbars or decorative items, that could be hindering the signal. Additionally, ensure that the remote is not too far from the TV, as the signal may not be strong enough to reach the receiver if the distance is greater than 10 meters. To fix this, simply hold the remote closer to the TV, within a 10-meter range. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with your Bush TV remote.